And I just asked the question if it's still worth it now that we have such high quality DVR from our HD footage, our digital footage. Is it even worth it to sacrifice that flight time to carry a GoPro? Man, digital HD footage now looks so clean and so nice. Do we even need to carry a GoPro? Since I started flying Walksnail, I took the GoPro off. You get more flight time. So more flight time, and the quality, Walksnail quality, not that bad at all. So, and you have gyro flow. Cruising around and sharing about 3 minutes of our best pack just for the community, I think that DVR is fine, 1080p is fine. If you're doing something professional, or you have that once in a lifetime shot, that, you know, beautiful mountain range or that beautiful landscape that you want to keep at full resolution, then I would say, yeah, toss the GoPro on and get some 4K clean sharp footage. But just for sharing day-to-day footage, I think you're fine, perfectly fine just sharing DVR footage. It looks really good. You pump it through gyro flow and you stabilize it a little bit if you need to, and that's it, you're good to go.